Hi there. So let me talk something about the virtual machine. So in my case, this one, the one we just installed, by default will go to Documents, Virtual Machines. Okay, and here you have it. Okay, so you have this, and this is your whole virtual machine, but see that you are not taking the whole 50 gigs. It's just taking the information that you are writing there, and it will grow dynamically. What is interesting and cool about this is that you can move this one from computer to computer. So you just take this folder and you move it somewhere else. So let me take it here. I will do a cut, let's say, and now I will put it in. I have my second hard drive where I have a lot of space, and I will put it here. So see that I'm moving everything. Now I have my second this new virtual machine here, and for instance I have here an external USB, and you can move it to your external USB. So now to launch this one is you go here to VMware machine player. Okay, you launch. Okay, so you try to launch one, will give you a problem because you don't have that virtual machine anymore there. Okay, so you can go here and see that you have the different options. So you have here delete from this, do not use. So for instance, if I go here, delete from this, you erase everything. Okay, so if you want to erase it, yes. But in my case, I want to erase it from the library, remove from library, and then I just want to open a virtual machine. And when you open a virtual machine, you just give the path where you have that one. So see that here I have it here, and now it will look for this file, the VMX file. You open, and now it will load, and you have it available there. So in my case, I will compress my folder. This folder will compress, you will uncompress, and then just look for that file. Okay, and that's all. So now if I press play, okay, then remember, is you do this one, you can go here and modify these settings anytime. So I press here, power on. First it's telling me, okay, it seems that something happened here, you move it, your copy, so choose. In my case, okay, I can put here, I move it. Okay, I know I move it, otherwise you can put a copy. So I move it, and you are ready to go. Okay, it will launch in the usual way. So let's launch it. Okay, so Control to gain control. So here is just loading kernel, whatever, launching the basic operating system. Again, just a reminder, I'm just here installing 15.2 in my case, the videos, and I think I will go through the 15.1, but doesn't matter, okay, it doesn't matter. So now go here and remember, so see, these are some of the problems in the integration, but doesn't matter, it's not something that you will die. So you go here, CFD 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And now you enter to OpenSUSE, and you are ready to go. So you can here, you should have already the integration. You can do your copy paste, everything in a normal way. So again, I will send you two virtual machines. One with, I will make it available, one with 50 gigs and one 200 gigs, but you have the instruction, you can do your own installation. So you just need to extract that file, open the VMX, and then remember to set up the settings for your computer. Okay, that is hardware dependent. There is no loss in hardware performance. Here you are emulating. Because you are emulating doesn't mean that it will run slower. It will run at the same speed as if you were running in a Linux native or using the Windows subsystem Linux, whatever. So this is just to let you know. Okay, something else that probably might be interesting. See here that you can enable, for instance, if you connect a USB here, it will give you a message that if you want to connect to the host or to the client, you can enable, disable here the network connection. Okay, so you can isolate your machine. So I think this is all for this video. See you in the next one, where we're going to start with the OpenFOAM installation. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.